Hi, I'm Nigel from SMC Motorhomes, and today we're here doing a walk around tour video of one of our latest used vehicles to come in, 2020 Globecar Campscout Automatic. As you can see, this van is properly kitted up for an outdoor lifestyle. We've got the rear ladder here, giving you access to the roof where there's roof bars for storing long things such as canoes, etc. We've got a tow bar here as well, and then also for the outdoor lifestyle we've got proper off-road tyres and levels, so if you are in an area like we are today you can get that vehicle perfectly level. On this vehicle we have a fly screen on the habitation door along with the soft close door. Here in the dinette of this vehicle there's comfortable seating for 4 people, 2 extra travel seats, and this can also be converted into the third bed option. Here in the cab area we can see this vehicle is built on the Fiat 9-speed automatic. It's been fitted with a 360-degree camera, which is a really nice feature, and also up here we've got blinds around all the front of the cab. In the kitchen area we've got a nice large fridge with icebox here. Then we've got lots of storage underneath, a 2-burner gas hob, and your sink and tap at the side with electric points, etc. above. In the rear of this vehicle, with it being the Campscout on the 6.3 metre van base, we've got 2 single beds in the back, but you can, as we have here, have it made up as a large double, and then there's lots of storage around the top of the bed. So here at the rear of the van we've got the really big storage area for all of your equipment. Also in here we've got the freshwater tank, which is 100 litres, and the gas locker for 2 gas bottles.